How to link SoFi to external bank account. Welcome to this quick guide on how to link your SoFi account to an external bank account. In just few steps, you can securely connect your bank, making it easy to transfer money between accounts. Linking an external bank account to SoFi gives you flexibility for deposits and withdrawals. This feature allows smooth transactions without needing to switch between banking apps or handle transfers manually. First, open the SoFi mobile app on your device. Log in with your registered SoFi credentials to access your account dashboard. From your dashboard, tap on the Transfer or Banking section. Here, you'll find options for managing accounts and linking new ones. Select the option labeled Add External Bank Account. You can choose instant verification where you log in with your other bank's credentials, or select Manual to input your routing and account members. For instant verification, log in with your bank details and follow the prompts. If you choose manual entry, SoFi will send small test deposits to your bank account. You'll need to confirm those amounts later to complete the link. Review all the information carefully to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, your external bank account will be successfully linked to your SoFi account. And that's it. You have successfully linked your SoFi account to an external bank account. This makes transferring funds quick and hassle-free, helping you manage your finances efficiently.